Ratchet 25 with another Transformers haul review, and not just any haul, it is the Auto Assembly 2015 haul. And I would like, first of all, I would like to say a couple things. I missed you all on a Sunday. I had to work. I loved you. I missed you all. I would like to say thanks to everyone that I met. Jim, Monkey Zen TV, for coming down with me and having a review and doing that review with me on the Thursday night, the episode, the last episode, 2 episodes of Transformers Prime, Beast Hunters. Other than that, I had a great time. I would like to thank everyone that I met in Auto Assembly. I was greatly honoured to be there again. Tomo or Steve, live forever, die for nothing. Thank you very much for selling me what you did for such a cheap price. Everyone that took a picture with me. It was just, I'm still in that type of mood that I still want to go back and still can't realise it's over, even though I left on the Saturday. Other reasons. Other than that, let's get on with the toy hut. I would like to thank also Rob, great honour to meet you, The Fallen and Armory Reviews 1, thank you very much. All my old friends, Dave, Helen the Melon, Spoon Snow, Simon, Silverbolt, Tony, Nosy, Sam, Triple Firestorm, Sam, Skull 140, Ray, I Love Mess, George, Accelerated Elegy, it's just Anton, and Stu, Mighty Grimlock. Why are you, lad? Mighty Grimlock. Everyone, I just loved being there. Patricia, the new girl that came into our group that we welcomed in, everyone was so happy. Other than that, let's get on with the thing that we are here to do. This is the toy haul. I have been waffling on. I'm still drinking too much coffee. First things first, let's get on with the small things. The small things weren't cheap, but they are cheap, but these aren't the toys. Well, first things first, let's go on with this. I swapped a small screen, and Micron small screen, and £15 for a full set of TMNT Ninja Turtles, and they are, I've got them out here, but these are going to go on my fireplace as display models. I can't wait to get these on to my fireplace, get all the crap off it and just have them as ornaments. I love these. I wanted to buy them when they were out, but you know, now having them in hands, I cannot stop playing with them. Mwah. Thank you, Tomo. I'll live forever and die for nothing. Yeah. We got the usual auto assembly press. I think mine's somewhere else. I don't know where I put it. We got the usual postcard, Starscream, Shockwave, Bumblebee and Spider-Man and Goldbug. The Wrecker thing, I can't remember what it's called. Is that Top Spin or Tail Twist? Prime versus Megatron and RID Megatron. Oh, loved. Neil Kaplan was sweetest guy. He did one of my best bad guys from Power Rangers, Diabolical. Yeah. Just take these out of the finger package. I'll put the package out. I'm going to put them back in. I got my autograph. I did do what I was meant to say I was going to do. Go and get some autographs. Steve Bloom autographed this for me. Then Phil. Dan Gilvezan, sweetest guy. And a few of us went to Frankie Benny's. It was me, Sam, Triple 5 Storm, Nosy, Monkey, Rob. We all got to know each other again proper. And the lovely new girl, Patricia. Patricia says she's on YouTube. If you're watching this, get yourself onto YouTube and let's see what you bought on your haul. You're a lovely girl to meet and you're a very nice person. Dan Gilvezan, great guy. Neil Kaplan. Oh, that was sweet. He said, Phil, great to meet you at Auto Assembly 2013. Via you rock your buddy Neil. They only had time to do everything. Comic book artist, I can't remember which one it was. I bought 3 of his prints, no, 5 of his prints, £5 each, and each one he's put a different message on. We've got the Soundwave one, got the Optimus Prime England Flash, Prowl, Grimlock with Shockwave Head and Shockwave. Yeah, I'll find out on my next video who that was. Well, yeah, that was my video. So I'm going to waffle on through this video. Yeah, okay. What shall I do? I'm going to leave my star. I'm going to leave my star, my babies. Two last. Then I bought a lot of people. This isn't Ray made me do. Sam Skullgrim, you made me do this. I've been reading this and it's a fantastic read. Dan Gilvezan. Yeah, we walked in, the people that went to Frankie's, the 6 of us, and we walked in and what we saw was Dan Gilvezan giving Kal-El Prime a foot rub and a massage, talking about thing. Yeah, and then we just stayed and watched Transformers movie on the Friday. It was so great. Got the book on Friday and I've got that was the Friday. On Saturday, now this is the main thing that I bought on Saturday other than the pictures. Now we all here to know what plastic I've got. Well, the plastics, we woke up, we're going to meet up, 6 of us that was went to Frankie's, met up, we meant to meet up at 8 o'clock and have breakfast together and chat. But I'll tell you later on after this video what the chat was about. So I met up with Rob and Monkey. And 3 of us waited for the other 3, and I think they were still in bed. And Sam said that he was already awake, but he was waiting for John. But it's your holiday. You don't want to be pressed for time for anything, even for your friends. If you want to get up and have dinner with your friends, or if you want a kipping, we deserve it. We've waited 365 days for this one event. Like I said, it is the most wonderful time of the year. It is Auto Assembly, the best place in the place, best holiday in the year. Yeah. First things first, I sent out to buy Pretenders. I bought 3 out of the 6 Pretenders that I know I will get. 3 out of 6, and I only want 6. Well, I want 7, but the 7th one, I only know that one person that I know has got it, and that's Cobra Commander. That's Metal Hawk. And I know I'm never going to get that unless I'm a millionaire. And so, for 120 quid, I got the 3 Japanese Pretenders, Decepticon Pretenders, Blood, Darius and Submerge. I just give them their Japanese names. I know I don't know their Transformers name. Only know their Takara names. These are the unboxed stuff. I watched a review of this from Gerard, and Gerard, Wolfgang 1, you made me do this. You are right. This is the better mode out of this. Should get this mode. Nova, you're right. I love this. I was playing on this on the train home, and I loved it. I loved this. Seriously. It's War for Cybertron Soundwave. Okay, usual dude. Then I've got Blur. I wanted this one. I think this is the Takara one. I'm not too sure. Oh, yeah, I think this is the Hasbro one. Because I know this was Generations, not Revealed Shield. But I wanted this. Only one more to complete my records, except for the new Generation ones. And then the last thing, this was my last purchase. It's Revealed the Shield Nugnut. Yeah. I think the thing's gone down, but this is a very good toy, and this is another thing that Skullgrim, you made me buy this. Your review on this was so beautiful, and yeah, it is old. It is a 2-year-old toy, and bits aren't as good as they were. I think there is a part missing, but I don't really care. I'm happy with what I've got. I'm proud to pay for what I paid for this. I wanted the United, not the United one. Was it United or the Takara version with the nicer paint scheme? But I weren't too keen on getting it because I weren't too keen on Generations when this came out. So yeah, that's now my last loose bot that I bought. Yeah, and Ray, you made me do this. Ray, you made me do this. It's Beast Machines Night Scream. I had this before. It is orange plastic. I know it's not the best toy, but I'm just doing it to complete my collection. I'm doing it for completion. Yeah, it's not the best toy in the world, but I like it for what it is. Night Scream, and I did suggest, and I did tell people what I thought they could do, and I told Ray, and they quite agree. I think they kind of agreed what I said with that Beast Machines skydive. It was what Ray did. That if they had the skydive mode and just replaced the head and the robot head for both of them, you would have a perfect deluxe Beast Machines deluxe size Night Scream that would fit into scale. Now, box stuff from Monkey. I bought this on the Friday. Yeah, I haven't opened it. Excuse me. I haven't opened it, but I can't wait to get these out. I've been itching to get these out. It is Dark Steel, Rise of the Predacons Dark Steel, Tesco's exclusive Dark Steel. Then I'll put that last. I bought these 3 in a row. I got Grimwing. Yeah, I really do like the Rise of the Predacons and the Predacons and everything. They're so sexy bots. Yes, this is Grimwing for 28 quid. I got that. Then I got rid of the Wrong Magnus for a pint, a picture and a hug from Joseph. Lovely lad. Don't know if he's on YouTube, but if you are, look me up, young sir. I got Magnus, the proper, and this is, and never mind Dave, MSN #1. Ray made me do it. You made me do this. Hello. You made me do that. And last Voyager that I bought at AA was this Blitzwing, the only one that I needed for my set of the new 30th generation, new generation ones. This, yeah, I've got this. Monkey, you made me do this. I want to get this out of the box. I can't wait to play with it. Yes. Then this is another toy that people have mixed reactions about. It's Beast Machines Savage Noble. Yeah, I needed it. It was going for 40 for everything, and this is the cheapest I've seen it for, was 25. So I got this up and snatched it up before anyone else. Okay, before I go on to my hauls, this is what I bought today on Monday because it was still auto assembly money. A Monkey, sir, thank you very much, sir. You are a star and a legend and a gentleman in all fact. You are the greatest. You told me on the train journey down, we had a great time and we had a fun time with the making of the video. You told me that everything's in all the 30th anniversary, the generations are in Toys R Us, so best buying these at Toys R Us, and and you can buy something a bit more instead, so cross yourself off. So yeah, Grimlock Generations Toys R Us, 25 quid. Not bad at all. It was 30 quid at Auto Assembly. I've saved myself a fiver. These were 18 quid at Auto Assembly, but that's the sellers everywhere at these. But these are the Toys R Us ones. I've got Orion packs, Bumblebee, oh sorry, and Trail Cutter. Oh, Trailbreaker, really? It's Trailbreaker. Trail Cutter. Shh. Trail Cutter! Yeah, got them. And then I got Ray. This is another one you made me do. Skylynx. Oh, this is a fantastic box. And last one, I'm not into legions of the small ones, you know, the really £5, £6, but I had to get this because I just love combiners. It's Abominus, Rise of the Predacons Abominus. Now my entire Predacon collection is pretty much done. I probably will go and get the leader class Predaking. Basically what it's called, leader class. It's not ultimate class, ultimate fire. Okay, now I don't know which ones to put this in order because these are two sexy bots, and these were my very first purchase, and they were the cheapest for what I expected to pay for them, and these were really cheap. From Kapow, and I know it was Kapow, I got Enclad Thickchat. I can't wait to play with him. And Jim, you love your Chrome? This is a Chromie bot. You should have. Is one that I have. Chrome. He's getting me into Chrome. Badly. Lastly, oh sorry, but this is, if I can get it on camera. Philsbug, I know Philsbug in America who watches my videos. I watched a review of this guy and I knew I needed to have it straight away, and it was Full Cybertron Titan class Metroplex. See what if I can get it in all its sexy, as Ed Bumble Jumper would say, Metro Sexy. Now that is a Metro Sexy indeed. So this is Ratrats 25. Enjoying you all, missed you all on Sunday. I really did miss you all. I wish I could stay longer on that Sunday, but next year it's tough to everyone. I am going, I am staying. Me and Monkey are going to stay together. Well, not together, maybe. No, me and Monkey are going to go down together and we're going to do the entire weekend. I say Friday to Monday, because it's the 30th anniversary. That's what we're going to do. So this is Rat 25. Till all are one. Be good. Peace.